Google Meet is an online conferencing app. It not only allows teachers to share presentations, teach lessons, and speak to their students in real time, but it also allows students to share their screen with a teacher, so a teacher could help students with homework and assignments. This makes it very useful when online learning. Let's learn a little bit more about how to join and use a Google Meet. There are a few different ways to either create or join a Google Meet. If you wish to create a Google Meet for others to join with you, you need to go to meet.google.com and click the button that says New Meeting. Then click the option to get a link to share. Copy this and send it to the people you wish to join the meeting, either through email, text, or Google Classroom. Teachers can share this through email and Google Classroom to students. To join the meeting, students need either post the link into the join box and click join, or go to their email Google Classroom where it was shared and simply follow the link to open a new window for the Google Meet. Either way they choose will open the window for the meeting. Once the window is open, students need to click the Join Now or ask permission for Join button that shows up, whichever one that appears. And let's join a meet and look at some of the features that students can use. Before joining though, it is usually best practice to make sure that both your camera and your microphone are turned off. It is easy to turn them off. You simply need to click the button and then they'll be marked in red with a cross through them. It's kind of like entering a classroom. You want to make sure you don't draw attention to yourself to distract other people from learning. Once you're ready, you can click join. Now that we're inside of Google Meet, let's look at some of the features. You can notice right here at the beginning, it asked if I wanted to turn my mic on because it detected I was talking. So this is our microphone button. Over here, we also have a button to turn on and turn off our camera, and in the middle is the button to leave the call. We have a button here that will allow people to turn on closed captions. It is done live by Google, so the captions aren't perfect, but they do work fairly well. We have a button here to present our screen. We can either choose to show our entire screen, just the window we're working in, or a specific tab of Google Chrome. This can be used by students who need to share their screen with a teacher to work through a problem or need help on an assignment. If for some reason we're having a problem hearing the Google Meet or we can't be heard, there's some more options right here, the 3 buttons we can click and look at our settings. Through here we can change which microphone we're using to make sure it works and which speakers we're using to make sure they work. We can always test speakers working by clicking the test button, which will play a ringtone. Once everything is working, we also have the option at the top, chat with everyone. This is a great way for students to ask permission from the teacher to unmute themselves to talk and ask questions, or simply to ask questions by typing them out. They can send it, their name will be attached along with the time it was sent, and everyone in class will be able to see the comment they made. It should be noted, teachers do have the ability to record Google Meets. We need to make sure that we are on our best behavior and we're following our best practices, that this is used as a tool for learning. Once the Google Meet is over, students can leave the call by moving the cursor for the bottom bar to pop up and then click the bottom middle button, which says Leave Call. This will bring us to a screen that allows us to either go back to the Google Meet homepage or to rejoin the session. So if the students leave accidentally, they simply need to click Rejoin to take them back to the beginning. Then they can join again. Or they can simply leave the call and return to home screen.